Hello everyone! I just recently discovered this Daily Sunstick Cloud Matte with SPF 100 plus PA++++ by Lux Organics. Disclaimer lang, this is not a paid ad and gusto ko lang siya i-share by the way. For a skin like me, very sensitive, and aside from that, I also have psoriasis, so which is very hard for me talaga na maghanap ng product na hiyang ako. In fairness, okay siya for me. Nakokontrol niya din yung oil sa face, non-greasy, very lightweight, and perfect siya for everyday and on the go. Easy to apply and very handy. Actually, nabili ko siya sa TikTok 2 weeks ago. And if naghanap ka din ng sunscreen and sensitive skin ka din tulad ko, nasa baba yung link. Try mo lang. So far, I've been using this for 2 weeks already and very okay siya for me. And very friendly siya sa mga sensitive na skin. And yeah, that's it guys. Stay awesome. Bye!